Assalamu alaikum children. This is the Islamic studies class and today's topic is tawhid. Today we will learn a very interesting thing in Islam. It is called tawhid. Tawhid means we believe in only one Allah. Allah made the sun, the moon, the sky, the trees and the animals and all of us. We pray only to Allah and we ask help only from Allah. That is called tawhid. Now let me tell you a short story. A very long time ago, Allah told a prophet named Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam to build a very special house for Allah. Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam and his son Prophet Ismail alayhi salam worked together. They picked up stones and built a beautiful cube-shaped house. The special house is called the Kaaba. The Kaaba is in the city of Makkah. Muslims from all over the world face the Kaaba when they pray. Why was it? Assalamu alaikum dear children. Welcome to our Islamic learning class. How are you today? Today we will learn a very beautiful and important thing in Islam. Our topic is tawhid. What is tawhid? Tawhid means we believe in only one Allah. Allah is our creator. Allah made everything in the world. Children, who made the sun? Yes, Allah made the sun. Who made the moon? Yes, Allah made the moon. Who made the stars in the sky? Yes, Allah made the stars. Who made the animals? Yes, you are right. Allah made them all. Who made the trees, rivers, mountains and fruits? Yes, Allah created everything. So we say Allah is the creator of all. Let's sing together. Allah is one, He is the only one who created everything. Allah is one, He is the only one who created everything. You can see the moon, you can see the sun. Allah made them all. Allah made them all. Very good children, clapping. Now let's look at our worksheet. Now let's look at our worksheet. Children, open your worksheet. We look at the first picture. This is our first picture. In picture 1, you can see the Allah's beautiful world. In this picture, we can see many things Allah has created. What do you see? A tiger, mountains, trees, a river, a duck, the sun, the happy sun, clouds, a bird, and a pumpkin. All these things are created by Allah. You will color them with crayons. Okay, now I will guide you. How will you color these things? Color the tiger orange with black stripes. Trees, green leaves and brown trunk. Mountains, gray or brown. River, blue. And duck, yellow. Sun, yellow. Clouds, light blue or leave them white. Pumpkin, orange. Grass, green. Take your crayons and color nicely and slowly. This is the picture 2. And in this picture you can see the night sky. Now look at the second picture. What do you see here? A moon, many stars, some planets. Who made the moon and stars? Yes, Allah made them. Allah made the beautiful night sky. Color the moon light yellow or white. Stars yellow. Planets purple, blue or orange. A sky background dark blue or purple. Color them carefully and make the sky beautiful. My young ones, today we learned tawhid means believing in one Allah. Allah is the creator of everything. Allah made animals, mountains, rivers, sun, moon and stars. So always remember, Allah loves us and Allah created everything. Bye and Assalamu alaikum children.